Thank you for considering my sculptures for your artistic projects. Let me clarify what you're purchasing and why it's beneficial for you. Welcome to the Likeness Sculpting channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the most common questions I get from reborn artists' clients. First, thank you for considering my sculptures for your artistic projects. Let me clarify what you're purchasing and why it's beneficial for you reborn artists. First question, what are my sculptures? My sculptures are detailed three-dimensional artworks crafted from resin, inspired by real-life baby photographs. They depict newborns and fantasy creatures like baby elves or vampires. Second question, why choose original? Each sculpture is completely unique and original, created from scratch by me. This means you're getting a one-of-a-kind artwork that stands out. What's reproduction rights? Understanding reproduction's rights. When you purchase one of my sculptures, you gain reproduction rights. This allows you to legally make copies of the sculpture, especially if you're an artist who creates silicone reborn dolls. How does it work? Even if you're not a sculptor, my sculptures are designed for artists who want to create reborn dolls. You can use the sculpture to make molds and produce multiple copies. And last question, most common, why buy the sculpture? Investing in the original sculpture is important. The material used is durable, ensuring smooth mold making. Having the original sculpture allows you to make new molds if needed. In summary, my sculptures provide you with the foundation to create stunning silicone babies. They're not just artworks, they're tools for your artistic journey, offering reliability and endless creative possibilities. I hope this explanation clarifies how my sculptures can benefit you. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for tuning in to my silicone channel. Your subscription and likes mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support. I also take this opportunity to extend a special invitation to all my subscribers to visit my new Etsy shop. There, you can request a quote for a custom baby portrait without any commitment. I will leave my Etsy shop link below this video. It's a chance for you to explore the possibilities and discuss your ideas with me directly. Whether your project is small or large, there's no limit to what we can create together. My technique delivers beautiful results, akin to those seen in Hollywood movies. Having collaborated with talented colleagues from Los Angeles, I bring their expertise and a wealth of experience to every project. Worried about distance? Don't be. Even if you're in another country, I can send you the digital file of your baby portrait via email. With my guidance, you can then print it using a 3D services printer in your local area. Your dream portrait is just a message away. Thank you and see you soon.